Namaskara, my divine family, and welcome to Panchaportal, a weekly reading which will help you define and navigate through this week in 5 areas of your life: spirituality, finance, business and work, your personal relationships, and your personal health. Hi, I'm Shweta, and I'm a Mokshpat trainer and expert. And today, I bring to you this beautiful program created by the eternal learners of transcending beliefs.
Welcome back, Gorgeous Suit, for the week 24th to 30th of June. Today both says to go for the organic and natural. Start your day with a glass of water. Juice up your life with fresh, pressed juice and smoothies, as it is an easy way to detox your body. Juice is like a sunshine for your body. Get more fruits and veggies in your diet. Boost your energy levels. Prioritize your health to stay hydrated. You can have cucumber, watermelon, oranges, lemon, or grapes. Avoid unwanted calories. You can have low salt soups and yogurt in your diet. Habituate yourself to go for a long walk. Eat light and limited food. Getting enough quality sleep at the right time is very necessary. You can add chaat, shikanji, or lassi frequently. Enjoy all the earthly powers. Do some regular exercises, or you can do yoga. As fitness is like a relationship, you can't cheat and expect that it will work. So stay blessed and stay connected until next week. Namaste.
Hello everyone, Namaste. I'm Lakshita and I'm here to share some insights on navigating relationships for the week of June 24th to June 30th from Mokshapatam Board. As we all know, relationships take work. This week, let's focus on understanding and empathy. Sometimes we get caught up in criticizing or judging our partners, but instead, try to see things from their perspective. Patience is key. By taking a breath and approaching situations with a calm mind, you can open the door to stronger connections. Now, how can we cultivate that connection and appreciation? Let's ground ourselves together. Quite literally, spend quality time with your loved ones. Put down your phones, be present in the moment, and enjoy each other's company. Don't forget the power of gratitude. Expressing appreciation, big or small, can truly brighten someone's day and strengthen your bond. So, this week, make a conscious effort to be patient and understanding and appreciative. By incorporating these practices, you can look forward to a truly fulfilling week with the people you love. Remember, stay connected, and I'll be back with more guidance soon. Thanks for joining me today. Namaste.
We're now halfway through this week's weekly reading. And before we move on, let me tell you one little secret about Mokshapat. If you've ever wished for a friend or a guide in your life who will always guide you on the right track to success, prosperity, spirituality, and growth, then Mokshpat will be that friend for you. Now, let's move ahead and watch the rest of the reading.
Namaskar, my dear soul family. This is Moshmi. I'm from Pune. I'm a naturopath, I'm a psychologist, I'm a healer, and today I'm here to talk about the spirituality from the date June 24 to June 30th. और इस वीक में और जिस तरीके से मुझे गाइड कर रहा है, इट इज ऑल अबाउट द forgiveness that we take. So forgiveness is not about कि आप किसी और को forgive करो. Sometimes we need the forgiveness for ourselves also by choosing or by doing so many mistakes with ourselves. तो जितना ज़्यादा हो सकता है, अगर आप अपने आप को अपने पाथ ऑफ वॉक में, इस लाइफ जर्नी में आप अपने आप को फॉरगिव करना चालू करोगे, यू विल सी ब्यूटीफुल सरेंडर, जो डिवाइन के साथ जब आप काम करना चालू करोगे, कंप्लीट सरेंडर के साथ, कि वट एवर दैट इज हैपनिंग इन माई लाइफ, दैट इज हैपनिंग फॉर माई बेस्ट ओनली, यूनिवर्स इज ऑलवेज वर्किंग फॉर मी ओनली। तो इस तरीके के फेथ के साथ जब आप स्पिरिचुअलिटी के साथ काम करोगे, तो इट विल गोना गिव यू द बूस्ट ऑफ ब्यूटीफुल क्रिएशन ऑफ पॉजिटिव एनर्जी, जो आगे चल के आपको बहुत सारी चीजों में हेल्प करेगी। और जब आप अपने पॉजिटिव इंटेलेक्ट के साथ काम करके, आप सही तरीके से आप काम करके स्पिरिचुअलिटी में आगे बढ़ते, तो ये एक बहुत अच्छा कॉन्साइंस में आपके काम करता है और ये बहुत अच्छा ग्रोथ लेके आता है। सो द गाइडेंस इज ऑल अबाउट कि आप प्रोकास्टिनेशन को छोड़ दीजिए, लेजीनेस को छोड़ दीजिए, इमोशनल ड्रामा में मत उलझ के रहिए। एंड अगर आपने इतना कर लिया, तो दिस वीक इज अ वेरी गुड वन, जहाँ पे आप बहुत खुशी से बहुत सारी चीजें आप फील कर सकते हो स्पिरिचुअलिटी में। सो थैंक यू सो मच।
Namaste. I'm Shashi Sethi, your devoted Mokshpata reader and trainer, with the cosmic guidance for the week of 24 to 30th June 2024 in relation to business. The reading comes with a practical pointer of right knowledge. So, whatever business deals you are planning for this week, be sure to be in the know-how of all things related to it. Check the fine print minutely before signing any papers. If you plan to start a new venture or change your job or profession, it is advised to get complete and correct information from people in that field before taking a call. The Mokshpata guides us to get over our limited thinking, detach from the belief that I know everything, as well as preconceived ideas. Try to gain insight from professionals and look for innovative ideas and ways to enhance your business skills. Mokshpata cautions against feeling of insecurities, ignorance, inactivity, wrong intention, and not taking right action at the right time. To sum it up, try to get right and complete knowledge about your business, harness your skills through proper consultations, and avoid being complacent, and keep searching for innovative ideas to make your business grow. Signing off, this is Shashi Sethi, your Mokshpata reader and trainer. Stay tuned in for more updates.
Namaste. I, Alpa, welcome you all on Punch Portal for the period of 24th June to 30th June 2024 regarding finance. Mokshpath Board is advising you to be mindful and attentive when it comes to managing your finances during this period. Prioritizing through research and understanding all financial documents before making any decision crucial. Regularly monitoring your accounts and conducting meetings with your accountant and staying updated on market trends are essential practices for financial health. Be vigilant about your investments and withdraw funds if they are not yielding satisfactory returns. By staying informed and proactive, you can navigate your financial challenges effectively and protect your assets. Remember, financial stability requires discipline and diligence. Staying informed and proactive will prove the way for secure future. So, use the policy of think twice and be wise. Namaste. Have a great week ahead.
That is all for this week. And I hope that this week's reading helps you create a week full of excitement, success, and growth. For more such videos and information, follow and subscribe our channel. And if you have a problem in your life, don't forget to DM us. I will definitely wait for your query and revert back to you. Thank you, and see you all next week once again.